This is Coal City layout, situated in Ugwu Onyeama. And this layout is fully registered, 100% registered. I could send you the registration number for you to go and check at the Ministry of Lands. As it is, the whole layout has been beaconed. So I'm going to go around to show you the beacons and at the same time show you the distance, the proximity to the major express road that leads to Night Mile. This is one of the layouts that has potential for future appreciation and development, given the fact that even the Enugu State Ministry of Lands already has an estate here called Coal City Estate. All right, so it is right beside the Coal City Estate, and this one is the layout by the community. All right, so the measurement is standard measurement, 60 by 100. Oh yes, of course, you know, I don't give you property, I give you the ones that are standard. So it has a standard measurement which is 60 by 100. Yes, I am still your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. For further information about Coal City layout or any other layout for estates or real estate investment generally in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria, call or WhatsApp me on 0803 743 5005. I am Loveth Aneke. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.